for Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He's a fantastic young man, Adam Zempa. Samson got for 10. It's 49 for 3. That's a really good hit.
Oh, that's gone straight up in the air. Straight up and caught and out. Another one bites the dust. They're self-destructing. Here the Delhi Daredevils really haven't come to play.
Adam Zempa spinning a web at the moment. 2 for 12 for him. Rishabh Pant goes for 4. It's 62 for 4.
Oopsie. Big shout and the fingers up. His quick draw, the ump, straight up, straight away. And just as the words come out of your mouth, Sonny, Karun Nayar's got to go.
41 to him, 70 for 5.